keep coming out.
We found a baby bird, and this is our ride.
Oh, wow.
Making a lot of noise, ain't it?
Making a lot of damn noise, man. Oh, you gotta give me the hole.
So scared right now.
Did you see how long that beak was? That beak, man.
He's in a box, baby.
Oh, man, look at him. Hey, we're right, man. You want to take us in a minute, man, because
I'm trying to drive. You can't just hold the baby bird.
That beak come through the. Oh man, he coming through again. Look at him.
I told you to put the CD in front of it so he can't get out.
Look at him. He biting. He needs some worms. He needs some worms. So he's hungry.
Give him your finger.
Coming through. Look at him. Go out this car and get to the house, man. For real. Fuck with the wild like that. Excuse my language, kid. You heard me? I don't mess with the wild like that, man.
He's in a box.
Oh, yeah. If I let this box open, he gonna fly out.
Well, don't open it in the car.
Ready to bite.
Bite you.
No, you see that, right? You see that? Yo, you see that? Alright, buddy. Come on, get me to the house, man. Real rap, man. I'm gonna let this thing on the side of the road, man.
You're not putting my bird on the side of the road.
Come on, seriously.
He's just scared. That's all. He's gonna come through on this side. Oh, now he's at the other side.
It's mighty funny. It's mighty funny. That thing got a long. Man, that beak about that long. You see that beak?
He can't bite you through the box.
Man, put your fingers in the wrong place in the hole, man. You gonna get.
Your fingers are nowhere near the holes. They're on precisely on the each corner.
Yeah, I'm all finished.
There he goes.
Oh man, for real, get this car out. I'm serious.
So scared.
Yeah, not really. I'll let him go, man. I get to the house. I can't do this. I don't know which way he coming. Yeah, I don't know when he coming out. Yeah, he's laughing. I'm being serious. Being serious right now. Check it out. You want to hold this for daddy? Huh? See that beat come through that hole, buddy?
Yeah.
He wild too. I don't know what he got. That thing, man.
He's not gonna do anything.
Hey, you say that now, 'cause you ain't holding it.
I picked him up with my hand.
No, you did not with your hand.
Oh, I didn't?
You had that thing on your hand.
Yeah, and he was in my hand in a shirt.
That big, buddy.
Yeah, that
Yeah,
beat.
so what do you think?
Chew him up a worm and be done with it. Well, he told us to pick up a rock.
That's no rock.
Yes.
Oh, man. Oh, he talking crazy now, too. Yeah, man. You gotta get me out of here, man. For real, man. How you going, man? I cannot. Listen, man. Hey, babe, man. Know me any other time you going about 90 out on the road. Come on, man. Get us to the house. He talking shit, too. Excuse my language, baby. Oh. So you want to hold him? So you ain't scared. You want to hold him?
So I don't want to hold him.
I don't want to hold me. I tell you.
He's getting around with that broken leg,
You
ain't
ain't lying. I don't think his leg broke.
he? Okay.
Get me to the house.
We're on our way, aren't
Where
we?
we are, man.
My car
Get in that
says,
lane.
don't tell me how to drive.
I did. Tell me to get in that lane.
You better watch that beat.
Oh, man. That's what I'm saying, bro. Like, come on, man. He won't get out, man. Come on. Yeah, I mean,
Only if
you
you
might
let-
put him on the porch and just let him see if he can fly. You know what I mean?
Well, he's doing something. He's hungry.
Oh, he coming out on this side now. This guy.
What are we doing with this car here?
I don't know. What you doing with your car and just get to the house? How about that? Come on, get over. Let's Now, he trying to get out. He's scrambling. I think he good. Man, instead of owl, I think that's what we need is an owl. Yeah. Look, he coming out over here, Nick. Look, dog. Tell you one thing, I ain't afraid of no man. I don't like no animal. I'm saying, alright, look. I don't like no animal. I like no animal. Alright.
I see feathers flying.
Oh, will you stop? Let's get to the house. I didn't know you was recording nothing.
Where do you think I'm on my way to?
To the house. Look, he coming out over here too.
Put the CD in front of it.
You think I'm gonna put my hands in front of a wild animal? There's something wrong.
You put the CD in front of it.
I don't give a baby or nothing. No.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, he pecking. He pecking. He's scrambling.
He's just scared.
Yeah,
That's my mask.
No, Steve, that's put it up there, man. I gotta deal with this. You taking him?
I'll take
I'm
him.
gonna record you.
I'm not scared of him.
You have to be. I'm not scared of him either. I don't want to get
Really?
back.
You just
No.
said you scared.
Yeah, you're scared
I
of
like
him.
wildlife. Oh, well, people's on there too. Watch this.
Where was yourself?
Yeah. Watch this.
And we're here. And you lived.
Some meat. No, he's pecking out the side. Look at him.